Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Looking at gold currently showing significant trading opportunity as there was a monthly close early today. We see that gold currently trending again in the major direction of the trend. So looking at first of all gold from the lower time frame before we look at how we can trade, looking at first of all bigger picture to see overall direction in the market. Now looking at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that this is a long term bullish market on gold. In that long term bull market, gold currently trending to the upside with a strong momentum. Now if you look at this overall picture in the market from the monthly, we can see that overall picture on gold is bullish. This is the support level here on gold, support here and also support here. And from that support we can see that gold has created a long bullish engulfer followed by another monthly candle just has closed today early. Now this candle has a long wick at the top, which is typical bullish price action pattern. And as you can see, there is no significant level of zone here. We could see a bit more strong movement to the upside after gathering liquidity from this support level. Now with that being said, as you can see, the market is approaching all-time high. Before we look at how we can trade, let's look at the weekly time frame to see overall picture in the market again from the weekly perspective. Now as a last day of trading week, we can see that gold managed to break all these swing high. Now if we analyze the long-term price action pattern, here we see that gold has formed a bull flag from the weekly, and from that bull flag the price, you can see this is a bull flag, has broken to the downside initially, and after forming a higher low from this liquidity zone, the price has managed to break to the upside and form a very strong bullish impulse followed by a correction to this previous resistance here, which is turning support here. And from that zone we saw that gold managed to break to the upside to create a new higher high. Back to back after 3 weeks of bullish move, we can expect gold now to come down for a deeper pullback, and then we can expect it to continue to go up as it is a long-term bull market. So monthly, weekly showing potential continuation to the upside. Now if we look at the daily chart, we can see that there was a daily bullish impulse here as well. This is the daily impulse from this level, a complete breakout from this structure, and followed by yesterday we have seen a pullback candle, which is a red bearish candle. Now once today market open, we see that from that zone the market started to push up again to create a new higher high with a wickless candle from the daily. As the price is approaching this level, what we can expect again in the upcoming session for the price to come back down again to retest this daily support level, either to break this zone and then to return back, or to come down near this level, gather liquidity on the lower time frame, and then to bounce up that. So to see potential entry, you can see that this is the 4 hour time frame where we saw the market has formed with this back to back two liquidity candle, had a huge breakout, followed by in that zone we saw twice the market has broken that liquidity zone. And from this 20 EMA we saw gold again started to break out. Currently the price showing significant bullish momentum, forming a support here. Now this candle, as you can see from the time of recording, closing in 1 hour time, what I think that gold might retest this support again, the lower time frame support, and between this zone is where we can look for potential entry on gold for this move to the upside. Now if we look at the 1 hour chart to see where is the potential entry on gold, you can see that this is a movement here, and there was a triangular pattern, and we saw that gold has managed to break to the upside currently from the 1 hour chart, which is closing in 6 minutes time. We'll be waiting for another reversal here, and what I think that gold might drop back down for another retest. And for this move to happen, we need to see that gold has managed to gather enough liquidity, as this zone is an imbalance in the market. Below this level, above this zone is a fair value gap, and this is where I will be waiting for intraday entry on gold. As soon as we find that entry opportunity on gold for this potential move to the upside, we'll consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you enjoy this analysis, like the analysis and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.